Hello friends. Today, we are going to discuss a very important topic, natural remedies for skin diseases, how to use them correctly, and which mistakes can actually worsen the condition. First of all, remember this: the skin is our largest organ. It not only reflects our appearance but also tells us a lot about our overall health. Through the skin, we can often see the condition of our internal organs, the strength of our immune system, and even our lifestyle. That is why taking care of the skin means taking care of the whole body. 1. The most common skin problems nowadays: many people suffer from acne and breakouts on the face and body, dermatitis, eczema, and itching, fungal infections on hands, feet, and nails, psoriasis and allergic rashes, dry and prematurely aging skin. There are many medical treatments available, but we should not forget natural remedies. They are often safer, gentler, and can provide long-term support without side effects. 2. Natural remedies and their benefits. Let's take a closer look. Pushpin aloe vera, one of the most popular remedies. It soothes the skin, reduces inflammation, and speeds up wound healing. Very useful for acne, burns, or redness. Pushpin olive oil and coconut oil moisturize the skin, reduce dryness, and create a protective layer. Especially helpful for eczema and dry skin. Pushpin turmeric, a powerful anti-inflammatory. It can be mixed with honey or yogurt to make a mask. Consuming it internally also has great benefits. Pushpin green tea extract, rich in antioxidants, calms the skin, rejuvenates it, and is effective against acne. Pushpin honey, a natural antiseptic. Useful for face masks, wound cleansing, and nourishing the skin. Pushpin antifungal natural remedies, tea tree oil, garlic, and vinegar solutions. These can help eliminate fungal infections on hands and feet. 3. Lifestyle and diet. It's not only about external care, inner health matters too. Drink clean water, it hydrates the skin and removes toxins. Eat healthy, more vegetables, fruits, fish, and nuts. Avoid sugar, fizzy drinks, and oily fast food. These worsen acne and inflammation. Sleep and stress. Lack of sleep and stress quickly damage the skin. Getting enough rest and reducing stress is essential. 4. Mistakes to avoid. Now let's talk about the common mistakes people make. Crossmark. Squeezing pimples with your hands spreads infection and leaves scars. Crossmark. Overusing strong chemical creams dries and irritates the skin. Crossmark. Using steroid ointments without medical supervision thins the skin. Crossmark. Trying random online recipes can sometimes do more harm than good. Crossmark. Thinking skin disease is only an external issue. Often it is linked to internal health. 5. Preventive measures. Prevention is easier than treatment. For that, checkmark. Maintain personal hygiene. Checkmark. Wear clean clothes and shoes. Checkmark. Dry your skin well after bathing. Checkmark. Avoid excessive sun exposure. Checkmark. Eat healthy and spend time in fresh air. 6. When to see a doctor. If natural remedies don't help, or if you notice these signs, consult a doctor immediately. Rapidly spreading skin inflammation, wounds or rashes becoming red and filled with pus, severe itching or pain, appearance of bloody wounds in children or people with chronic diseases. Conclusion. Friends, natural remedies can be very powerful helpers, but they must be used wisely. The most important things are a healthy lifestyle, hygiene, and patience. And if the problem is serious, always seek professional medical advice. If we take care of our skin properly, it will keep us looking beautiful, healthy, and happy. If you have additional tips or personal experiences, share them in the comments. Pushpin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.